I can care less about. Woo! What is up? If you guys saw the title, I don't need to explain anything. You know what we're doing today. We are traveling 900 miles to go get the Beamer. The time has finally come. We're about to go pick it up. I'm ready. I got my work clothes and stuff on, so just don't mind me. Previous video, I moved down to Florida. I talked about that before, but I didn't get my car. I left my car up there because I was waiting until I bought my house. Complications came up with trying to get the house, so that's just something separate that has nothing to do with this video. But I said it's the holidays coming up. I miss my family, so I'm going to go get my car as long on the way. You know, I'm driving up there, so I might as well bring it back. And of course, you know who I got in the car with me. Yeah. So majority of this whole vlog would just be like, for you guys, it's gonna be like a 10-15 minute vlog. Boom, we're already in Maryland. Bow. For me, I got about 13 hours to go. I'm not kidding. I really got about 13 hours to go. This is just gonna be trash. Journey begin. It's so bright. Jesus. Let the 900 mile journey begin. Right? Right. All I do is do, my name rings bell, bell. All these bitches on me, my name rings bell, bell. Got a lot of money, girl, name rings bell, bell. What? My name rings bell, bell. My name rings bell, bell. My name rings bell, bell. Got a lot of money, my name rings bell. Every time I fuck my bitch, you know that bitch real. Yeah, bitch got a soul, when she scratch me with her nails. We made it. It took forever, but we were literally here, like I said. I didn't update because it's like you guys don't want to see me unpacking stuff. But there she is. Oh, we better go take a look at it real quick. So let's get it.
Yeah, Joe. Couple days later.
That did it again. Oh my baby. Ooh, them wheels are done. Oh man. No way. I missed this damn car.
Bag it up in the bush.
Yeah. Dang. Alright, so I tried to start the car, and because of it sitting so long, the battery basically died. It like died out completely. So this is the battery right here. I got it sitting on a charger, and it's doing its thing. So right now, let me adjust it, sorry. Gotta make it a little bit brighter for y'all to see. There we go. So right now, when I first hooked it up, it was here on top at 8. It needs to be all the way down here to be fully charged. So it's gonna take some time, about 3 to 11 hours. Once it's fully charged up, we will hook it back up and start the car for the first time in so long. My dad has been starting the car up for me since I've been in Florida, taking care of it. He did it one time and it worked, and then he said he tried to do it again, but then it died out. So I'm just assuming that the battery like completely lost charge at that point. So again, we're just fully charging it up as much as we can. And then once it's done, we'll start the car up, go on a drive. It might not be today. For you guys, it will be in this video, but for me, it might be tomorrow because this is gonna take some time. I might take it out tonight if it's done. But if not, then it will be a tomorrow situation. So hopefully we'll update you guys when we get there. So let's go. All right, it's a brand new day. Unfortunately, I had it on the charger, and LA hat. Unfortunately, I had it on the charger, and it was taking a lot longer than I was expecting it to. So the day that I showed you guys us charging it, it was basically close to the end of the night, anyways. So the following day, we left it on the charger literally all day, and by like 8 o'clock or 8:30, I want to say, it had officially fully charged. So I had gotten home, it was late. I'm like, I'm not gonna do it tonight. It's daytime, bright and early. I'm cooking breakfast right now. Once we're done doing that, I'm gonna hook it up, see if my car gonna start. And yeah, it's been a long time. It's been so long, I've been, so let's get to that. All right, let's get it. So I'm so excited for this, man. I hope this actually works. This is the battery that was in the car when I first got it, like originally got it. I never swapped it out for a new one. So if today this battery doesn't work, I might end up having to go buy another one because, like I said, we've sat here and charged this thing all day long. Everything's in. We're gonna see how this works. I got light. See light right there, so been through the works. Got noises. Oh. First try. Are you serious? Oh my God. Huh? Yeah, it's been sitting, so. I literally, oh my God, look at all those lights. I haven't driven my car in 6 months. I just let, oh, we're gonna have to go for a drive.
Just text me when you're on the way, when you leave CVS, so I can come downstairs and fuck.
That's fine, I got you. I'll give you a call. Hang up, nigga, I'm cutting stuff. I just cut my bumper, my fender, it's fine. Take these trash ass snippers.
How you feel?
I want to die.
How you feel?
So close. Ooh.
Dirty air car, boy.
We got the bumper on. We're good to go. This thing drives like nothing happened within the past like 6 months. I love it. Hey guys, it's I know it's gonna be hard to see, but my car is right here in front of y'all. You can't see it, but we're on a trailer. We're gonna start heading home now. Once we get to a stop, it's a lot lighter. I'll show you guys the vehicle. Let's get it. Alright, we made a stop real quick. We're at this huge gas station, but she's doing alright. Got her in there, fitment looking good as always. It's so crazy to me that I'm hauling down my car. Never done something like this before, bruh. Like, what? But it's nice in there, nice and tight. She's not moving, nothing, everything's great. So we're gonna get back on the road, man. We're gonna get back on the road. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's kind of hard to see. There we are. Let's get it. Yes, sir. We finally made it. Beamer is officially in the state of Florida, and she looks so good. We'll have more content coming soon. Be hitting my first car show soon. I actually went to one already for Florida, but I was literally there for like 2 seconds. So we're gonna do a proper video very soon because it's been so long since we did a meet. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Your boy's back. We got more videos and more content coming soon. And yeah, until next time, let's get it.